unity with nature, living in harmony with the cosmos. Humans are not separate from nature. They are an integral part of the cosmic order. This truth carries profound implications for how we live, think, and relate to the world around us. We are composed of the same stardust that formed galaxies, the same elements that animate forests and oceans, the same energy that drives the cycles of day and night. To forget this is to live in a state of delusion, imagining ourselves as autonomous agents standing apart from the web of existence. The Stoics, with their piercing clarity, understood that this illusion of separateness is the root of much human suffering. They taught that living in harmony with the universe involves aligning our desires, actions, and judgments with nature's rational principles, what they called the Logos, the divine reason that permeates all things. When we align with this universal reason, we stop swimming against the current and begin to move with the inherent intelligence of existence itself. Marcus Aurelius, the philosopher-emperor who faced plagues, wars, and personal loss, offered this gentle yet firm counsel. Adapt yourself to the things among which your lot has been cast, and love sincerely the fellow creatures with whom destiny has ordained that you shall live. In this single sentence, he encapsulates two pillars of cosmic harmony: acceptance of our circumstances and genuine love for our fellow beings. Adaptation is not passive surrender but active engagement. A recognition that our environment, our community, and our challenges are not random accidents, but the very raw materials from which we are meant to shape our character. And love is not a sentimental feeling, but a deliberate practice of seeing others as extensions of ourselves. Fellow travelers on the same journey, woven from the same universal fabric, recognizing this interconnectedness fosters humility, compassion, and a profound sense of purpose. Humility, because we realize we are not the center of the cosmos. Compassion, because we see our own struggles mirrored in every other being. And purpose, because we understand that our actions ripple outward, affecting the whole. When we accept that we are part of a larger whole, we cease to see ourselves as isolated or superior, instead embracing our role as co-creators within the natural order. We become conscious participants in the unfolding drama of existence, not mere passive observers. Every choice we make, every word we speak, every habit we cultivate sends vibrations through the interconnected network of life. To live in harmony, therefore, means acting justly, practicing moderation, and cultivating virtues that benefit both ourselves and others. Justice compels us to treat every person with fairness and dignity, regardless of their station. Moderation urges us to curb our appetites, recognizing that excess disrupts the balance that nature so carefully maintains, and virtue, that inner excellence of character, becomes our compass, guiding us toward actions that nourish rather than deplete the world around us. This is the Stoic art of living according to nature, not in a primitive or ascetic sense, but in a rational and ethical manner that honors our shared existence.